Welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. I'm your host, Joan Cabarrus. We're gonna be sculpting dogs with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hello everyone! Welcome back! It's another fun Friday. I will show you the process of sculpting a dog using polymer clay and very few tools. Today's episode is Shiba Inu.
Hi, Scottie. I heard your birthday is coming up.
Yeah, that's true.
Are you gonna have a party?
No party this year.
Oh, there's Shiba Inu. He's with Scottie right now.
Even my best friend Frenchie forgot my birthday last year.
Scottie's pretty bummed. His birthday is coming up. And his best friend Frenchie forgot about it last year.
Well, that's lame. Well, let me know if it changes. I'll come. Alright, well, have a good day, Scottie. I'll talk to you later.
Hi, Shiba Inu. I saw you talking with Scottie.
Yeah.
Well, I heard Frenchie has a surprise for Scottie's birthday this year.
Oh, well, that'll make him happy for sure.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's begin. Prepare the supplies. Polymer clay, toothpicks, any stick with a rounded and semi-sharp tip, brush and baby oil, and more color assortment of polymer clay. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake Books. The Doggo Bake Books will show you step-by-step instructions on how to create a Shiba Inu, and that will be in a Doggo Bake 3. Prepare the toothpicks for the stability of your dog's legs. You'll also trim one for your dog's neck. Blend the polymer clay with your fingers until you reach the desired color that you want. Form general shapes for the body parts, the snout, the neck, the head, the legs, and the body. For the Shiba Inu, they normally have big ears, so make sure you're emphasizing that ears in your sculpture. There you go! All the body parts are now formed and they are ready to be connected. Shape the paws, and it's up to you if you want to make the fingers detailed or not. Now pay attention to how your dog is standing. The sculpture needs to be standing alone without the support of anything else. If your sculpture is not doing this properly, it's either the head is too heavy or the legs are too small. Attach the nose, the eyes, and the ears. Now with the Shiba Inu tail, it's normally curled up, so that's what we're going to do. Ta-da! All right, so you've seen how I created this simple Shiba Inu sculpture. It was so quick. Just follow the book step by step and you will come up with a fully formed Shiba Inu dog. And this was our Shiba Inu friend, and this was we created today. You don't have to follow the same color from the book or from what I did today. You can change things around. You can experiment what color you like. So what I'm gonna do, with a little amount of oil and brush, I'm gonna wipe and just smoothen the surface out. Now we've got a little problem here. The size of our toaster oven is small for the sculpture that I created. The ears are touching the roof, the edge of that. And that is a no-no, even just a little bit. It cannot touch any surface in the toaster oven. So either one, you change your toaster oven to a bigger one, or two, you can bake it in a conventional oven in your kitchen. Here's another one. You could probably set it sideways like this, but make sure that all the thin parts are protected. This is a little risky for your sculpture, but I don't mind risk. The legs are free floating and the head is also protected. We're gonna try that. Make it work. There you go. That's the Shiba Inu lying on its side. We're gonna set it to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 275 degrees. And it has to be on a bake setting. And I'm gonna set it 30 minutes.
Crafting does not have to be expensive, and there's always a way to make them quick and easy. Don't forget to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 if you want to learn how to create these dogs in detail. Subscribe, like, and share these videos with your friends. See you next Friday for another dog.